You have the floor. Please go ahead.
Sorry. My name is Kang. I come from Taiwan. I also work at Fireflies.ai, where we are trying to build some online meeting AI-powered note-taking tool. And today I will introduce my side project, one of my open source side project, which is called SwitchV. And I built it 2 years ago and use it in my daily workflow. So I'm very excited to share it with you today. So here's my GitHub. You can check out. It's agenda. So I will introduce the two main features. The first one is we can it's called instant project switching, and we can use this tool to quickly launch the right VS Code window. And this is the app store link I released 2 years ago. And the second main feature is the AI integration. I try to integrate some AI feature within this month. And it's also using LLM and Traffic API key-based. So you will not, so your cloud subscription will not limit this feature. And it also is fully customizable. And in this presentation, you can learn. Hello? Oh, sorry. In this presentation, you can also learn how to build some Spotlight like application with Electron framework. Also, you can learn how to publish it to macOS App Store. And also, you can learn how to integrate LLM APIs in your desktop application. And here are two problems and scenarios. The first one is when your VS Code is running, and sometimes you want to quickly switch to the other project window. And in this case, you have two options. You can use some built-in command like Control R, and to quickly launch some this quick switch view to select the project you want to launch or switch. But it's too small. It's a built-in feature. Or you can use some this macOS built-in command to navigate to the previous one. But the second problem is if your VS Code is not running. In this case, you can choose maybe use your terminal to launch this VS Code, or you can choose something that, or you can move your cursor on this VS Code app on your dock and choose the right project you want to launch. But it's a little slow. So my solution is I just build some Electron application running in the background. So we just need to press this command Control R to quickly launch the SwitchV launcher. So I can demo here. Give me some second. For example, something like this. And then that's all. I finished the first stage of demo. So it's very instant. You just so you will. I use this command hotkey shortcut to launch this UI. And here we support two types of VS Code items. The first one is the project folder window. The second one is the VS Code workspace. And inside this feature, we also supply another sub-feature that you can select your preferred working directory. And after you select this working directory, you will preload this list, become some green items. So it's another convenient place you can select your this preferred folder. And you can also clear this icon to quickly launch the SwitchV as well. It's a technical information. So the first issue we need to solve is before we can quickly launch this project window, we need to know the history of the people they opened before. So the trick I use is I build a VS Code extension. And this VS Code extension will try to listen the open window event. And this so when people open the VS Code window in any way, you will send some information to this Electron application. And in this Electron application, there are some three components. The first one, UI layer. The second one is the main process. So in the UI layer, we have the Relay application. In the main process, we have some built-in server. So this server will get this HTTP RESTful from VS Code extension. So we will store the recent open window history. Yeah, after that, we already got the history. So whenever people invoke this shortcut, this shortcut will notify the main process, and it will invoke the UI layer to show the UI, and then the UI will send some request to this server running in the Electron application. So it will send this history to the UI layer, and UI will show the list, so people can select the item from the list. So after some people create some item in the list, it will invoke some IPC command signal to the main process. And this main process will get the signal that you need to launch some VS Code project folder. So in here, we use another trick that we will invoke this trial process and to invoke this command to launch the VS Code window quickly. There are some main entry files. Anyway, there are you just need to remember when you build Electron application, in the first level of entry file is the forge.config.ts, and you will try to get some webpack config file. The first one is the main process is ready config file. The second one is the renderer config file. So around here, you can also set some entry files regarding the UI layer. It contains HTML files and JavaScript files, and also another preload of files. And in the main process, the main.ts, you also need to control some UI component. Sorry. Okay, sorry. So you also need to set some OS native UI components. So for example, you need to import some app from this Electron. And so after the app is ready, you need to create some browser window. And you also need to set some app. For example, we need to hide this app initially. And you also need to create some thread. UI is related to the macOS menu bar item. So this IPC is a very key important part. So anyway, the first key file is the preload.ts file. In this file, you need to set some event, and also it's a bundle copy function. And after this, your URL, React, and also your main.ts, they need to implement this event emitter and event copy handler. And this is some keynote when because we need to make this app running in the background, so we cannot call Windows star show. And also, what I use Prisma is the DB ODN to quickly upgrade the SQL line, read and write. Also, another tiny part is we set some app version by this around here. The page.json there's the version field, and there's some trick about the auto DB migration. So the trick is I set some when the app running start, you will compare some file. So you compare the version in this file. If the file does not exist or the version is not same, you will try to automatically trigger the migration. And if it's the same, you will not trigger the migration. You also need to handle some paste variable when you bundle this package app. Here's some trick to debug this SQLite. You can use the Prisma Studio to see the SQLite database. And this is some many detail about the packaging and package. And anyway, you just need to remember there are two. The first one, key point is the plist. And we need to set two different plist. There is a parent one and child one. And that's because for the normal macOS application, usually there's always one plist. But in the Electron, we have multiple binary files. So we need to set more than one plist to set the requested permission. And you just need to, after that, you run some step and share screen to bundle this app to the, and after that, you can choose submit this your app to Mac App Store, or you can submit it to the test file, which you can distribute it to some beta user. And also there are some tips to debug this package app. For example, you can set some log in the menu bar item. Also, you can directly execute this the file to track the log. And you can also set some dev tools. And one more thing is cursor integration is done. And also, I borrowed some idea recently. I try to read the building VS Code and cursor SQLite instead of building our own SQLite file. And this is from request. And this comparison with request search recent part, this feature. And this post is a up extension. And also, there are some cons, so you can choose using request or this SwitchV. It's another big feature. And anyway, I just built this AI assistant feature recently. So I try to rerun it to copy. And problem 3 is sometimes you need to feed your code or selected text to AI to get some insight or feedback. So anyway, the process is slow because you need to select content, copy, open your either ChatGPT or cloud desktop. So I try to build another feature so I can demo it now. For example, I can choose this code and then copy and quickly launch it, and I can go. Also, it become Chinese. Because I'm from Taiwan, so anyway, it's quickly select code and get the insight. Yeah, and we can define your API code here, and there's also another some feature. You can support inside split mode or selection mode. Selection mode is when you define your constant prompt as empty. You will try to do the simulation, but without automatically generating the insight. It's the technical implementation. And it's very simple. We just when you select code, we will try to read the clipboard content, and you will send this selected text into this file. This file in the main process will try to invoke this LLM API, and also, you will enable the stream mode. So from the L1 API, so in this JavaScript async iterator, you will for each delta chunk data test as a response, you will try to invoke some IPC, send this every delta in the renderer UI there. And one more thing is I also create another feature. So we can use another shortcut to import the ChatGPT like desktop application like. So something, yeah, very quick, and yeah. And this is a technical learning when we implement this feature. Anyway, the takeaway is trying to build.
We're at time.
Okay, and then we can skip this. We've already done this one, and yeah, thank you for all the attention, attention.
Thank you so much. I have never spent time inside tooling, so this is a bit outside of my